Today we are going to make this cute and fun little bookmarks using paper. I know. How can a tiger look so cute? And here we have a very cute owl. Toot toot. Hi everyone, it's Nikki here. Welcome back to another DIY video. Corner bookmarks are very easy and fun to make, as once you learn the basic shape, you can literally just decorate it in any way you want, any colors, any patterns. I also created few bookmarks using paper clips only. I shared that video a few days back. If you haven't checked it yet, don't forget to check out. I'll add the link in the description box below and also in the info tab above. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Just a quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such more amazing DIY videos. Now, let's continue to the next bookmark. To make this another super cute tiger bookmark, you'll only need a yellow foam sheet. If you don't have foam sheet, you can also use the cardboard paper. subscribing to my channel as I share beautiful craft and home decor ideas every week. Also, press the bell icon so that you won't miss a single video from Craftovers by Nikki. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It motivates me a lot. If you love my ideas and make any of these, don't forget to tag me in your posts on Facebook or Instagram to get featured on Craftovers by Nikki page. I am starting a mini craft series to cure your boredom and to spread some creative vibes. Of course, these crafts will be simple and fun, which you can make using things available in your house, for example paper. So stay updated by following me on my Insta and Facebook ID Craftovers by Nikki. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.